Here, Colin, please read this.
If it's not any less convenient, I'd have you read from Trebonius first.
O great and powerful Colin, read this, for it touches close to your well-being.
My troubles come last, so does my people life first.
I urge you to read this now.
Begone now! I will not have any more of your foolishness.
Leave official matters to be dealt with in official places. Do not bring them to the public.
I hope on this day that all goes well for you.
And what do you mean?
Good day, Cassius.
What was that all about?
I fear we have been discovered. If the king finds out about this, you will surely be slain.
Relax. Look at Popilius and Constantine now. They are married.
But look, Trebonius has taken Antony aside.
Where is Metellus and let him bring his argument to
Go to him now.
Remember, Casca, you are the first to strike.
Are we all ready? Why'd you guys bring me here?
Oh, high and mighty Colin, I come to address your heart.
Begging me won't convince me. Your brother is still banished. Now leave.
I have the right to appeal for my brother.
I also believe Popilius Cimber. I have the freedom to appeal. I speak not to flatter.
What, Brutus?
Pardon me, but I also agree with Brutus and Metellus.
Nothing will change my decision. I am immortal.
Oh, Colin.
Stop this feeble display.
Great Colin.
Let my hands speak for me!